Hello, y'all, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. Baby's back there playing the game with his friend. I can't tell if he's winning or losing or what, but I'm about to eat the rest of my wings from Louis. I still got my shirt on, y'all. I'm trying so hard to. I'm supposed to be going out. I'm trying so hard to still go because, baby, I will switch up in a quick second and not go. So I'm about to warm my food, eat my wings, and oh, is there a game on right now? Babe was out here earlier watching. Is that Aaron Rodgers? We die-hard Cowboy fans, but baby mad at me because I like me some Aaron Rodgers. I ain't even going front. Aaron Rodgers, he be cold with it. I got some other few favorites, but anywho, child, let's warm up this food. I'm really not that hungry, y'all, so I'm only gonna eat 2 of each. I have the garlic parmesan and the spicy buffalo with some ranch. If y'all have a Louis where y'all are at, I definitely recommend y'all check them out because, honey, I love me some Louis. We eat Louis faithfully around here, okay? Around these parts. Especially since they down the street from us now. Baby, we tear them up. I showed my sister and my mom my Christmas tree earlier. And they started cracking on me. If y'all watched the other vlog, I don't remember what Vlogmas Day it was, but it was the Christmas tree. Well, I was putting up the Christmas tree at Mama's house. And then I did a bonus clip of Christmas tree at the Beckles residence. And child, this is as good as gonna get. I put some lights on our plant. Okay, because that's it. That's it. Don't judge me. Hey y'all, just checking in. So, ooh, I'm finishing up my wings. Babe chilling, watching the game. We did not end up going out. So my shirt holds true for me. I told Babe earlier we ain't shit because he was supposed to be going somewhere too. And he had already had it made up in his mind that he wasn't going earlier, so he really ain't shit. But, so yeah, we just chilling, watching the game. I'm probably gonna watch some more YouTube. I'm drinking, Babe got me some, Strongbows. If y'all have never heard of Strongbows, I actually like these. These are really good. Y'all should try them if y'all have not. It's a hard cider, right? Yep. I be knowing. But yes, y'all. So I just posted a photo on Instagram. Finally, I had Babe taking a million pictures of me until we got photos that I like. So thanks to the photographer over here. Appreciate you, babe. Y'all go like that picture, go follow me. I'm gonna put my Instagram name down below. I'm gonna try to do so much better with that. You know, I'm not even gonna say next year or nothing like. We're gonna start now, okay? It ain't gotta be new year, new you, new year, new me. No, like, we're gonna start now. Now, mind you, the new year is in like less than 2 weeks, right? So whatever. I just realized like the other day that Christmas is this week. Like, it don't even feel like Christmas is this week. That's crazy. So anywho, that's what's going on right now. We chilling. I'm finishing up my wings. If something else happens, I will come back. If not, I will see y'all tomorrow, child. What's that, babe? My sweater I got from work. Ooh, Modelo. Ugly sweater. Where? Ugly sweater. Well, you make it look good, dear. Check you out. You gonna wear that to work?
I think I will.
Okay. I likes it. I was watching Locs. Now I'm watching Amber Martin. Y'all go support all the YouTubers doing Vlogmas now, y'all. Y'all go watch out. Watch out. Y'all go watch everybody's videos, okay? All right. What they do? They sacked them?
Here, get it. You see him? He coming off the edge. Jordan Lewis. Boom. Get him back.
Okay. Look at the score. All right, y'all. So welcome back. It's a new day, but we're continuing the same vlog from last night. I made us some sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwiches. We're watching the game. Babe got his Dallas Cowboys blanket. He eating. So we chilling. We good. I hope you guys let's see, when is it gonna come out? This is gonna come out tomorrow. So I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope y'all had a great Sunday. And I hope you guys have a great start to y'all's week since this is coming out on Monday. And I will be back. Hey y'all, so nothing else pretty much exciting really happened. I cleaned the bathroom today and I washed the mats. I'm just putting them back down. Hopefully we have more exciting things going on for the rest of Vlogmas. I can't believe that, like, it's literally about to be over. It kind of went by a little fast. So, anywho, I hope you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas so far. I hope you guys have a great start to your week. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.